All right, guys, 1989 Chevy Corvette with a tuned port injection system. It's a retired track car. It's really nice. It's clean too. It's only got 60,000 miles on it. It shows, guys. Look how clean this car is. It's really nice. So it's got converter there, converter there. Then we took off the third converter and put a high flow in its place. He wanted a little bit more sound. So we're like, we got you. We'll put you some high flow cats on it. We wanted to change all three for him, but we're going to do it in stages. We checked his converters too. That's how you check converters, guys. If you don't know, people say, oh, I can tell if they're bad or not. Unless you see the inside of them and see if they're broke apart or clogged, it's really hard to check or do a back pressure test. And most of the time, the back pressure tests don't work either. You really want to do this where you poke a hole in the casing and look inside of it to see if it's clogged or not. All right, so that's what we usually do to test them out, to see if they're broke or anything like that inside the catalytic converters. That's the right way, proper way to check them. Anyways, a little bit of knowledge for you guys. But here's a high flow cat in place of that big old gigantic cat that's there. Then it wires out the back. He had a Borla ProXS axle back kit put on it, not by us. It's been on the car for a few years. It sounds really nice. Right there, right there. There'll be a link in the description if we can find it. We should have it on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. All right, guys? Anyways, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like and hit that subscribe. When I tell you guys it's garage kept and clean, look at this. It is clean. And it's a 6-speed. That's even more fun. Look at this. Wow. Back in the future. Yeah, that's crazy. Paint's shiny and nice, too. You can tell it was, you see the smoke that came out of there? It's been sitting. It's a lot better. Yeah. You're gonna notice a huge difference in power too, because that cat was blocking the ports, so it wasn't breathing at all.
But it was running.
Yeah, you didn't feel it, but once it's under load, it pushes against it. You probably gain another 10-15 horsepower out of it.
Really?
Easily. Give it gas. Oh yeah, that's clean. Borla ProXS. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. We're right at 90. Perfect cruising. Again. Go ahead and back it up. You see how it stopped smoking and everything too. It was all collected in there. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. There's our phone number and our beautiful shop. If you have any issues or want to give us a holler and say hello, give us a call at 615-612-6244. Love you guys, and we appreciate you watching. Got a nice idle to it too. Deep, clean tone. Borla ProXS always sounds good on anything. When you want a commuter, that's what muffler you go with. If you want a little bit louder, you go with the Borla Attack. But for a nice, clean, deep tone like that, Borla ProXS is the way to go. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Corvette 1989. All original except the Borla ProXS mufflers. And now a high flow third cat. Got a nice stance to it. That sounds clean. Yeah, it's perfect for a everyday drive.